Lisa, we're also getting a new drought map today. We're getting a little rain this week, fortunately.
It does help, yeah. And that new drought map, that monitor will be released here likely within the next hour, hour and a half. Usually it's within our 7 o'clock hour, but there will be a chance for some scattered storms and showers here over the next couple of days, and then things are going to start to warm up and dry out this weekend. But here's the current map as of last Thursday, and you can see where portions of southern Colorado, unfortunately, we've seen that drought worsen down in where you've got some pockets of severe drought, even some extreme drought as you get a little closer to the San Luis Valley, and then up and over the northern half of the state, a little bit better in through the northern and central mountains, in fact, where we had some decent snow recently. Take a look again at that expected rainfall here today, a chance for some severe weather. That's going to include the Denver metro area, and then tomorrow we've got a better chance for some scattered showers. Definitely cooler, more cloud cover, and some scattered shower activity on Friday. Things then start to dry out, especially here closer to Denver on Saturday. We'll see some warm and dry conditions statewide on Sunday, with a few more storms then starting to pop up by early next week. So, yeah, it's that time of year when we start to get some of these changes in the afternoon. Biggest threat with some of the storms today will be some larger hail. Could even see some isolated tornadoes. We're going to be in the 60s today and 50s tomorrow. Here's that risk, that marginal risk that covers the I-25 corridor. And then we get, it looks like, even some stronger storms then developing as they start to roll off to the east, just east of Denver, there along I-70, closer to Agate, Lyman, down along the Palmer Divide. So we'll be watching those areas this afternoon, and that'll continue into early evening. Here's what it looks like on Futurecast. 40s with a little mix in sun and clouds this morning. We'll see a few more clouds by midday, near 60 degrees by lunchtime, and then we'll hit highs in the mid to upper 60s. Things will then start to rapidly cool off as you get a storm or two rolling through late afternoon, early evening. That's even at around 7:30 tonight. And then overnight tonight we'll be under quite a bit of cloud cover, waking up to more clouds and some areas of patchy fog early Friday. We'll be in the 40s early tomorrow morning, and then it looks like highs only in the low to even upper 50s depending on the neighborhood tomorrow afternoon, with a chance for some scattered showers. So it is going to be quite a bit cooler. 60s today, 50s tomorrow. We really start to warm up though and dry out this weekend. We're back in the 70s on Saturday and then near 80 on Sunday. So some pretty toasty conditions to round out the weekend. Afternoon storms then return early next week. Jace, we're back in the 60s with, again, some active afternoons.
Yeah, and remember, if you are driving through one of those storms and you're near an overpass and it's hailing like crazy, a lot of people will park under there. That can sometimes be very dangerous. So, yeah, you just take the punishment with the car.